Welcome back. In some national updates now, the war of words between the government and the civil society members on the issue of the Lokpal bill continues, with Team Anna hitting out at the Prime Minister Manmohan Singh, asking why is the Prime Minister scared of being covered by the Lokpal bill.
ये मार्च के बाद 2 महीने में ऐसा क्या हुआ प्राइम मिनिस्टर ऑफिस में कि उन्होंने सारे मिनिस्टर्स ने और सारी सरकार ने अपना कंप्लीट यू टर्न ले लिया। ऐसी कौन सी घटना घटी प्राइम मिनिस्टर ऑफिस में जिसके डिस्क्लोजर को वो छुपाना चाहते हैं? एंड दे डोंट वांट प्राइम मिनिस्टर्स ऑफिस टू कम अंडर द पर्व्यू ऑफ लोकपाल एंड दे वांट टू टेक पीएमओ टू बी कंप्लीटली आउट ऑफ एनी काइंड ऑफ इन्वेस्टिगेशन। दिस इज कंप्लीटली मिस्टीरियस। सो अभी तक की सिचुएशन ये थी कि प्राइम मिनिस्टर कुड बी इन्वेस्टिगेटेड फॉर एनी क्राइम, बट ओनली सीबीआई कुड इन्वेस्टिगेट हिम, एंड वी फेल टू अंडरस्टैंड व्हाई इज डॉक्टर मनमोहन सिंह स्कैर्ड ऑफ being investigated by an independent body like Lokpal.
Well, the BJP too has attacked the Congress on the issue of bringing the Prime Minister under the purview of the Lokpal bill after Digvijay Singh said that the Prime Minister could be covered by it.
प्रधानमंत्री जी को भी उसमें लिया जा सकता है, जुडिशरी को भी उसमें लिया जा सकता है, एनजीओज को लिया जा सकता है, कॉर्पोरेट सेक्टर को लिया जा सकता है, बशर्ते कि उसमें इतनी व्यवस्था हो कि जो लोकपाल बने वो अपनी पद का दुरुपयोग न कर सके, इतनी उसमें प्रावधान रखे जाना चाहिए।
Well, moving on now, Mumbai police have released the sketch of the man suspected to have shot dead investigative journalist Jay De in Mumbai on Saturday. The police said that the sketch was made based on eyewitness accounts. De, 56-year-old journalist, a senior journalist in fact, working with Midday, was shot in broad daylight outside a mall close to his home in the suburban Powai area of the city. According to the police, 4 motorcycle-borne men fired at Mr. De. The shooters then escaped from the spot. Curiously, the journalist met with the end while he was reportedly working on a series on Dawood Ibrahim. Now, journalists in Mumbai have announced a chain hunger strike from 15th of June if their demand for a CBI inquiry into the death of Mumbai underworld reporter Jay De is not accepted. A delegation of journalists will try to meet the Prime Minister. They held a march to Mantralaya, the seat of a Maharashtra government, today to protest the attack on Jay De. He also some developments coming in from the state of UP. The second autopsy of the body of the teenager who was found dead at a police station in Lakhmipur Kheri has also confirmed that the girl was murdered, but the autopsy report does not confirm rape. The vaginal swab of the victim has been preserved and will be sent for further tests. Under pressure from the NHRC and opposition political parties, the Mayawati government has cracked the whip, ordering a CBCID probe and a fresh post-mortem of the 14-year-old allegedly raped and killed by policemen. The SP of Lakhimpur Kheri has been removed and 1 constable has been arrested. And well, here's some diplomatic maneuvering on the international stage with a very effective tool. Sri Lanka and India look to break the ice. We'll tell you more about it on the other side.